Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have another bug fix update and performance fix update rolling out to Edge version 114. And 114 is the latest release. And this is now the third point release maintenance update that is rolled out for version 114, which if you want to check for the update, as always, we head to the menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And this update started rolling out on the 15th of June, which was a couple of hours ago. So that was late yesterday in my region. And after the update has been applied, the version in bold is version 114.0.1823.51. We've been bumped up from point 43 to point 51 with this latest maintenance update. Now, this is not the Chromium security update that we were expecting. This is just a bug and performance issue fix, which is common for Microsoft to push out between major version upgrades, which has rolled out for the stable and extended stable release. So I would suggest that we will be getting that important security update for the Chromium project, which Edge is based on, I would say within the next day or so. But nonetheless, if you have experienced any issues, just double check your browsers up to date. And Microsoft only tells us that they've fixed various bugs and performance issues and that the update will roll out progressively over one or more days. So if you're not seeing this update, I'm sure you will be getting it sooner than later. And as always, I have had a quick look around at any new features or any major changes. There's nothing I have noticed as yet. And at this stage, it's a non-security bug and performance fix update that is now rolling out, which was released on the 15th of June. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.